first off, this is just, it's gross. Green manure, gross. I don't like to think about it. So let's get in and out of this as fast as possible. That's what she said. And then we'll be done with it. The argument would be fine if it said the crops are being unhealthy because we're not using the green manure, so we need to start using more green manure. But that's not what the argument said. It said we need that to be healthy, so let's abandon chemicals. What the hell do chemicals have to do with anything? We've just assumed that if we are using the chemicals, we're not going to use the green manure. Or, as answer choice E says, the farmers will not grow the green manure unless they abandon the chemicals. So, if they don't abandon the chemicals, they won't use the green manure. We won't be healthy. In order for them to use the green manure, they must abandon the chemicals. And we can see very clearly why we need this if we think about where that conclusion is. We were concluding that if we're going to have good soil, well, good soil means we need the green manure according to the passage. So that would mean that good soil means we need to abandon the chemical fertilizer. That's what answer choice E says, and that's why answer choice E is the right answer. Points out the link that was missing from the passage. Alright, so in that video I showed you why the right answer was the right answer. What I didn't show you is how to get there. I didn't give you a method. Didn't give you a system. I didn't talk about pattern recognition. And the reason is, that's where I think the value is really at. If you think that having a systematic, methodological, comprehensive means of kicking the LSAT in the nuts is worth paying for, then check out that link of all our course offerings and join the team. And if not, totally cool. Please continue to make the best use you possibly can out of all these free videos, and tell your friends and everybody you meet along the street and in everyday life how awesome we are. Of course, if you think these videos are awesome, you really ought to see what's in the paid course.